2:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Tuscaloosa Regional Airport, or near Northport, moving northeast at 25
Northport? I
miles
used
per
to
hour.
live in Northport!
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Impacted include Tuscaloosa, Northport, Hold, Coker, McFarland Mall, Lake Levine State Park, Tuscaloosa Amphitheater, Bryant Denny Stadium, Tuscaloosa Regional Airport, University Mall, Deer Lake Creek Campgrounds, Lake Tuscaloosa, Flatwoods, Peterson, Foster's Boat Landing, Lake Harris, Stillman College, Lake.
I literally
Highway
almost
69
completely
Bridge,
missed that
and
alert.
Riverwalk and Dam. For your protection, move to an interior
I
room
almost
on the lowest floor
completely
of the
missed it
building.
because I was downstairs.
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued.
You gotta be
until 3
kidding
p.m.
me.
Central Daylight Time for the following county: Tuscaloosa.
Was it the
Alabama.
same day that was a required weekly test?